everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Deb and Jen. Lerato Nxumalo, who plays Dr. Ndabezinhle Luthuli, a surgical intern, has exited the show to join a new telenovela Lingashoni that plays on One Magic from Monday to Thursday at 7:30. Apparently Lingashoni and Deb and Jen are produced by Stained Glass TV, which also produce Uzalo and Ihostela. Ndabe is not the first doctor to leave the show. Her on-screen boyfriend Mnqobi's character was also killed off early this year, and he's also part of the new telenovela. Guys, I don't know if Ndabe's character will be killed off or not. I'm not sure how she will exit also, but I assume it will be about the current situation she is facing with Thandekile, who recently found out some dirty information about her qualification. The situation is very difficult for her, as she can't even share the secret or the news with anyone. The pressure landed Ndabezinhle to Dr. Ngcobo's bed, who later revealed he is falling in love with him. Because of their sexual relationship, Dr. Ngcobo will assume it won't be a problem if they date, but Ndabe, guys, is not ready to be in a relationship following what happened between her and Mnqobi. Ndabe will later find out about Dr. Ngcobo's underlying health condition that might kill him. She will later regret why she didn't tell him that she feels the same. Guys, it's still not clear if Dr. Ngcobo is also leaving Deb and Jen or what, but Dr. Luthuli has already started with the new telenovela. We will really miss her. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Bye.